Working with classic PlayStation game audio and need to extract VAB sound banks, these files contain the music and effects of retro gaming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open PlayStation audio bank files for sound extraction. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens VAB files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. Users encounter .vab files when exploring the assets of classic PlayStation, PS1, PS2 games. They are typically looking to extract or replace sound effects and music for modding purposes, or simple curiosity. The primary goal is to convert the proprietary audio data into a standard format like WAV or MP3. The VAB format is a binary container designed for the PlayStation's SPU, sound processing unit. It holds multiple short audio samples, VAG files, and instrument definitions in a single bank, optimized for low latency recall during gameplay. This monolithic structure minimizes disk read times and memory fragmentation on the console's limited hardware. The core professional tool for handling the VAB format is PSound from Sony Interactive Entertainment. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows provides restricted visibility into game resources, so proper access depends on modding tools. We are performing a quick elimination test. Right-click the VAB file and choose Open With. If PSound is present, test it now. If not, choose another application. One of them is the key. If the VAB file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, extracting with PSound. Download PSound from ROM hacking communities like romhacking.net or Zofar.net for VAB extraction. Open the VAB file or paired VH and VB files to access individual instrument samples. The software enables sample preview and export to standard WAV format for analysis, editing, and use in modern audio applications. Next, using VGM Stream. Install VGM Stream from vgmstream.org, which supports many video game audio formats, including PlayStation VAB. The library integrates with FooBar 2000 Winamp and command line tools, enabling direct playback and conversion of game audio. Use VGM Stream CLI for batch conversion of VAB files to WAV format for music production use. Finally, music composition. Use extracted VAB samples in modern music production by importing converted WAV files into samplers like Contact or DWs like Ableton Live. The classic PlayStation sound aesthetic provides nostalgic atmosphere for retro-inspired music projects. Document sample sources for licensing considerations, especially for commercial music releases incorporating extracted game audio. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.